I'm going to show you real quick how I make my coffee cake. This is going to be for breakfast in the morning. Okay, now I don't waste time doing extra bowls for dry and wet and all that. Now this one does, I have to separate the toppings, but I'm not gonna go through extra bowls. I'm just gonna put it in my measuring cup. So then I need 2 tablespoons of shortening. Now here's how I mix in my shortening. You can do it with a mixer if you want, but I just take the shortening and break it up in my flour mixture to little pieces, get all the lumps broken out. Okay, now microwave. Now what I do to save steps and containers is I melt my butter first, then I take out my 3/4 of a cup for the topping, just like so. Then I'm going to use some of my frozen milk here for the milk in this recipe. I need to get it used up. Each ice cube is 2 tablespoons. So let's see, 1 cup, I need 8 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna defrost this and put it in there. All right, see, I got, just shy of 1 cup. It's probably fine. All right, now, got my milk in. Just stir it. Now for my topping, I'm gonna put my cinnamon in, and then I just estimate 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Whoops, or half a cup. Whoops. Okay, yeah, get this all mixed. Okay. Then sprinkle the topping all over and spread it on there. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look yummy? Okay, I'm gonna check my coffee cake real quick. Okay. See how it came out clean? Yay. Okay, what's the verdict on this one? Once again,
delish.
Coffee cake perfection. Dining Iodine Cookbook. The link is in the description below.